Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from the names, prices, product codes, features, and launch dates. I'm going to put everything on the screen here. So as a practice, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so I have new Louis Vuitton bags for you. First, we have from the men's fall monogram heritage collection. That'll be launching September 11, 2025. We have the Satchel Messenger. Price of this one is $3,550 USD. Material is monogram heritage canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come, of course, with adjustable crossbody strap, as we could see here. How are you loving the colorway of the monogram heritage collection, guys? Just like with this pocket organizer, price at $500 USD, launching September 11th. So the material of this one, so this is the close-up, guys. So it has a combination of like a bottle green, like blue, then this is the leather interior of the pocket organizer. Actually loving the colorway of this one. I feel it is hard wearing combination. Then of course we have the Boss 40 wearable wallet. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. Price of this one is $2,160 USD. So this is the interior. So the interior, of course, is made of fabric. This is the back side. So as you are noticing that the LVs are upside down. Then this is the front side. It comes with crossbody strap, and it comes with detachable bag tag. And of course, my forever favorite, we have the Keepall 25. So price of this one is $2,600 USD. We have SKU here. So once you open, you're going to see like the bright yellow fabric lining. Then of course the Keepall 25 would always come with detachable, this time canvas strap. It would come with bag tag as well, with the same canvas material, just like with the Rush BUMBAG. Price at $2,480 USD from the men's fall monogram heritage collection. So the main material is monogram heritage coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come, of course, with detachable belt bag strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, guys, this is really cute. So we have the RUGBY clutch. So price of this one is $4,950 USD, a little bit expensive. So this is from the men's fall 2025 collection. So as you can see, main materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather wristlet strap, and of course we're going to see the RUGBY logo in the front of this pouch. Then we have the RUGBY pochette clasp. Oh my god, so you need to get this one. Even though just the pochette clasp added to your collection, it would be so amazing. However guys, just look at the price at $800 USD. So main materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. The shape of this one is a rugby football. It is a non-flat design compared to the regular key clasp. Then of course we have the Speedy P930 pins. Price of this one is understandable at 37,500 USD. So the reason why I'm saying it's understandable, just look at the amount of pins that it comes with. So for the back part, it would only be at the top part of the back side, and generally at the back there are no pins. Then we had the Speedy P9 size 30. Price of this one is 66,500 USD. So we have SKU here, guys. So the material of this one is the croc leather in this very beautiful light pink colorway. So it comes of course with leather lining, detachable leather strap with bag tag as well. Then we have another exotic bag, cargo wearable wallet. Price of this one is 11,100 USD from the men's fall 2025 runway collection. Material is ostrich leather. Of course, it would come with adjustable leather strap as we could see here, and it is also detachable, and it would come with silver hardware. Next on the collection, guys, this is so cute, honestly. So hang on handbag. So this is already launched this month, so check with your CAs and the website, guys. Price of this one is 2,720 USD. Main materials monogram coated canvas as we could see here. It has a leather trims and of course the fabric lining on the inside of the bag. Then we have the Nano No Way backpack. Price of this one is 2,290 USD. This one would come with Umprint leather. Of course, the strap is non-detachable, but it is fully adjustable. So this is the backpack strap. And guys, please take note that the size of this one is nano, so definitely this is a smaller size backpack. Then let us go to Capucin's BB. So guys, this is from the Louis Vuitton Crafty collection. So price of the Capucin's BB is 7,350 USD. We have SKU here. Material is Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims, cowhide leather lining, and of course it would come with detachable shoulder strap with gold hardware. Next on the collection, so we have the Capucin's size mini. Price of this one is 6,750 USD. We have SKU here. So from the Louis Vuitton Crafty collection. So what's the difference of this one? As you can see, it comes with the leather fringe tassel at the front, which is fully detachable. The top handle is braided top handle as well, and of course a very beautiful colorway. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!